Hello friends, we have seen how to connect IBM BlueMix to Eclipse in my last video, and we also saw how to create a project on Eclipse. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a project and run that project on BlueMix directly from Eclipse without really visiting to my web console. So directly I am going to run a particular Java application, a web application on IBM BlueMix. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Go to File, New, create a project, and just for simplicity, I'm just creating a simple dynamic web project, and I give a name, my web Java. Okay, so just this is a Java project, web with some dynamic web pages using maybe some JSP pages. Go forward and click next. You can create a ER file if you want, and that is a ER file, enterprise archive. Okay, so you can create that, or you can just leave it here. If it's up to you. If you want to create ER file, that's okay. Go next, and you see this will be created, and go again next. And my web Java, and this content is web content, and I'm just going to create a deployment descriptor file, web.xml, so that I can deploy it, and go and finish it. So you see my directory structure has been created for my web application. Now go forward and create a simple JSP page, and just for my demo, well, I'll call it index, or maybe simple index page. Okay, go next, and this will be simple HTML tag premise. So this is my index.jsp, and insert title here. This is my first BlueMix app. Okay, and here I can write, this is my first page on BlueMix PaaS platform. Okay, so this is maybe a H1. Okay, just go and save it. Okay, now I have my page ready, I have my application ready, and I'm going to deploy this application to IBM BlueMix. So what I do is just right click here and run on server. You see IBM BlueMix is the only server I have right now, and it has been started, and that means it is connected. Though you can see it, nothing has been started here. There is no application running here. So go forward and see the available is my web Java. That is the application resource will be created, and go finish it. And you see it is not deployed. And what it will do is go to, it will just, if you see that when we created application on the Cloud Foundry, it was asking what is the name of the application and all. So same thing here, it is asking you my web Java. If you want to change the name here, you can change it while deploying. I'll keep the same. Next, and my web Java and domain is my BlueMix.net, and this is the deployed. It will be the URL after deployment, and it is using by default 512 MB of RAM. Okay, You can validate it to check if your URL is available or not. My host name, this is available, and go forward, next, and finish. Hope it will run now. You just see the server here. It is still not deployed, my web app, and see application success. It is now pushed, and now it is deployed. Okay, deployed, and just check it here. Okay, you see that my web Java is now started. It is the started under Cloud Foundry. Okay, my Java web. This is not running now because it has been just it is pushed and it is just started. Okay, if you see this is just it is deployed, it has not been started. So we can just refresh it to check. You see that this is the my web Java, and route is my web Java my BlueMix.net. MB memory is taking 512 MB RAM, one instance of application running. State is not running here. And we can now check deployed. It is starting, not yet started. Okay, let's check the console, what is going on here. It is, you see that starting the app instance. Okay, you can check it, what is going on here, the various stages of starting the application. You see this is pushed, then it is creating the context, creating the application context, then it is successfully pushed and started the application, and starting the application my Java web, and expanding the JRE, and uploading the droplet, and so on and so forth. And now application appears to be running, and you check the server, it is started, synchronized. Check here if it is, refresh it. Okay, you see my web Java is now running, and we can check, did we get any update here? Okay, here we should get, I believe, the web page publishing. Still it is publishing. Okay, okay, you see that we got my first BlueMix app. This is my first page of BlueMix PaaS platform. This is the output, and you can check it here. Same thing, you just click in this link, we can directly see the output on any web page. This is a public URL, anywhere it can be accessed. So here I just given a demo of how to create a web application from Eclipse, and how to connect the Eclipse to the IBM BlueMix PaaS platform, and running a web application on the PaaS platform using Eclipse. And here you will see that what it is running, which this is which application it is actually. Then you check that if you check it, what it is, if you we can actually stop, restart, and rename the app, and we can do a lot of things from here itself. Okay, and we have 2 gig of RAM available, and we're using 512 MB RAM. And what else? So okay, this is about just starting. And now what I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to show in my next video how to auto scale this application. I'll create an application, and this is actually running a if you go and add here, if you just click add Liberty for Java, if you see this is the we have the application server, which it uses the PaaS, the BlueMix uses all the Java application to be running on this IBM WebSphere Liberty app server. So What we have seen here, the one which is right now running is actually running on the application server, one instance of the application server. Okay, it has been deployed on that. So what in the next video is if this 512 MB is not sufficient, then what it will do is MB RAM, if it's not sufficient, what we can do is we can actually auto scale it. It depends upon the load. If it the load is more, we can create a auto scaling profile for and ask the this instance to be multiplied and depends on our requirement. And that's what I'm going to show in my next video. Thanks for watching.